Hello students, so let's prepare this drawing. Okay, we have given the drawing and we have to prepare this now. um, so sketch, so I will select the front plane view as oh no, close. We are going to select sketch on the right plane, view normal to sketch plane. Now here we are going to prepare the geometry, so I will prepare from this. Okay, so now let's prepare the give the dimensions. Okay, I will draw a center line, center line for our reference. Give the dimension, so this distance from this is nothing but the 10. Then distance from this to this is 31 divided by 2. Then distance from this to this is 42 divided by 2. Then let's see, from this to this the distance is 9.6 and up to this is 25.5. So 9.6 from this the distance is 25. Okay, control Z. So let's say from this to 6.6, 6.6 we are going taking the maximum distances, and from this to this is 25. Okay, then this to this the distance is say 1 or 2 mm. From this the distance is -2. Okay, next is from this to this bottom the distance is, you can see here, 57 diameter is given. So let's draw the dimensions. Dimensions from this to this 57 by 2, because 57 is the diameter and this is 44, 44 by 44.6 divided by 2. This is the distance. Then next is again line, and from this the distance is 9.6. 9.6. Okay, and so let's draw one other line from this, train it, extend this edge up to this. Now the distance is, so what is the distance? 41. This is 25. This is 41. So of distance from this to distance is 41. 35. From this to this edge the distance is 35, and from this to this distance is 41. Okay, distance will delete it. 41, and coincident, this edge should be matched with this axis. Okay, next is distance from this. Okay, so we will delete it. I will delete this line. Distance of this to this is 9, and they are coincident. Okay. Now what is remaining? Distance of this to this is, what is the maximum distance? 100. So this is so this is 50. 100 by 50, and let's take what is remaining. Okay, 41, 36, 25, 9.6. Okay, what was the distance? This is 41.3 and this is 36. So let's make it exactly 41.3 and 36. 41.3. This is, so this is 36. Okay. I think all the dimensions are perfect. Mm, okay. Yeah. Once you completed this, now let's revolve this. Now let's revolve this. Revolve. Select the sketch is solid. So this is select revolving axis. Okay. Now this is completed. Okay. So apply little bit fillet of 1 to mm here. Fillet of 1 or 2 mm. Okay. Similarly, we have to apply the fillet. You can check it where is fillet. So at this inside corner is fillet. Again, we have to apply the fillet at this corner. At this corner, 1 mm fillet. Let's apply 1 mm fillet to all these edges. Fillet. Okay, so inside corner is also there is fillet of 1 mm. Next is here is also we have fillet of 1 mm. Here is also we have fillet of 1 mm. Here is also we have of 1 mm. At this corner also we have fillet of 1 mm. Okay, you can see. Now next is we have to apply the thread. Say here external thread is there. Select this. Select this face. So we have to apply up to 5 mm. Okay, we'll see it later. Sketch. View normal to sketch pen. Now last step is we have the circular holes. Okay, 8 circular holes at a distance of 86. So let's prepare this hole. Dimension from this, say 86 divided by 2. Okay. Next is what is the diameter of this? Its diameter is the circular diameter is 5 7.9 8.1. So we'll make it 8. So let's make it diameter 8. Now let's hit circular pattern. Select this. How many quantities we want? We want 8 quantities. So this is in 8 quantities. Okay, let's make it extrude. Select the sketch 2, say remove. Now in this way we have completed this diagram. Okay, if you want to apply the material, you can apply, you can check the measure the surface area. Okay, again we can apply the material, assign material, so it will be assigned material stainless steel. Okay, next is we can export this into a isometric orthographic view, front view, top view, side view. The isometric view is also there inside this one view. So you can check this. So this is our object. So we have completed this. You can give the dimension to this each and everything. Okay. So here you can give the dimensions like this. Okay. Thank you.